We have 15 excavators, 3 dozers, track dump trucks, hydremas. The excavators are the most important that we have here. That's what we rely on every day. We do everything from building the right-of-way to handling the pipe to putting the pipe in the ditches, done with the excavators. We're installing about 7,000 feet of 8-inch gas pipeline and also the valve settings that go at each end of it. It starts out with cutting trees, then building the right-of-way, pushing the topsoil off the side. Then we go through string all the pipe, engineer all the pipe, which is engineering it and bending it so it fits the contour of the ground. And we ditch it, lower it in, backfill it, and clean it all up when we're done. Best Line's maintenance department is superb. If I get a problem with the machine, if I call them today, if they're not on site today, they're on site by tomorrow, getting me back up and running. We need a purchase, they're easy to get things through. We need something repaired, they're on site. That's the bottom line. It's just the customer service is superb. When they're out here working, they're almost as if they're part of our team.